our video to tap all the people on Facebook.
Marami na iba kaya pangunin ng isang alien. Isang alien lang kaya pangunin bilang isa, dalawa, kundi hanggang 6 ng Brand X. Para sa unbeatable linis. Alien, total linis, menos gastos. You never know when you'll need extra fresh bread. But don't be desperate. Just take Colby Plus. It's filled with 99.9% of bacteria and for extra call-out. For longer-lasting fresh bread, giving you extra comfort when you need it most. Colby Plus. For longer-lasting fresh bread. Colby, #1 brand recommended by Nick.
Wonderful Naya Farm today.
Because when you get old, it tastes better now than in English. In fairness,
Do you like farm today?
join the conversation.
A smell this irresistible and come from one thing. New Head & Shoulders with Furnace Burst technology helps remove up to 100% dandruff forever. See, smell, and feel dandruff-free with Head & Shoulders. P&G. Dahil isa lang ang may triple choco goodness, ang combination ng choco cracker, choco wafer, at choco filling ng Coffee Triple Choco. Triple Choco, sa masarap. Coffee Triple Choco. Great combination.
Switch to family size. 2 pesos off. Yes, 2 pesos off. So you can compromise on family chair protection.
Isang pangarap na waras. Hindi pwede yan. Eh, detergent mo. Baka maraming hangin din. Ibuhos. Pitpitin. Brand X, daming hangin. Time, siksik, sulit. Try nyo pa. Try, musik sa kapatihan.